Hello guys, I'm here for you today for another Chanel unboxing. Um, so this is the bag I'm using today, my Chanel rectangular mini, and I talk about how much I love so much this item here, the Chanel O case, Chanel O case or Chanel Zippy coin purse, and I talk so much about this on my videos, and I've been wanting to add another, which is you know, in a pop-up color. So yeah, this is the hint what is in this bag. So guys, yeah, I really love this. I see this is what I'm carrying the whole day. I never switched to any other wallets. So as you can see, I don't know if it's showing in the camera, this already somewhere like on the fabric materials is already have fraying. There's already some fraying part. I know it won't show, but hopefully it can show. Yes, these parts here, because I use it so much and I don't baby this wallet, guys. But look at that. Aside from that fraying part, you know, it's really so good, and you know, still like in good condition. Yeah, it's not beat up or something. Yeah, so I really love this wallet. If I can only have one wallet, I will pick this one. So yeah, let me open this bag. So when I saw this before in the boutique, I did not think about, when I first saw this in the boutique, I did not think about getting it, because I'm still enjoying that one, and you know, I did not know that I'll enjoy it so much that I need one more. So ta-da! It comes in a package like this. It's so nice and pretty, guys. Look at that. Chanel packaging, so addictive. Yeah. And of course, here's the shopping bag with the camellia flower, and here's my receipt. And this, guys, is actually I bought it from the reseller, and yeah, so she bought this last February 28, 2018. So I think this this color combination, you cannot find it anymore in the boutique. So yeah, I will tell you more details about it. Let's just open the package first, show you what's inside first. Oh my god, chan chan chan. And let's open it together. And oops, sorry, inside you can see the care booklet. It's a care booklet, and nothing there. So the dust bag says Chanel. Oh, can you see the color? Ta-da! So pretty, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is like, this color is like baby pink in gold hardware. Look at that, guys, so pretty. the side, at the back. Yeah, and here's the Zippy pool, and this is the inside. There's like 1, 2, 3 compartments, and this is made in Spain. Chanel made in Spain. And yeah, this, oops, sorry, this starts 25 series. So let me see the model number. So this item here, guys, here in Hong Kong is retailed for 4,100 Hong Kong, and the model number is A80602. And yeah, so that's that. If you are interested to know or to ask whether still available in your local Chanel store, you know. So yeah, that's that, guys. So pretty. So the difference between these two, aside from the color, and this one is the boy style and this is the classic CC logo, is the zipper pull. I think YouTubers, most of the YouTubers that have this CP wallet talk about this so much, about the metal zip on this classic style one, compared to this boy one is it has a plastic zipper. So can you hear that sound? Well, this one sounds more good, more great, and it's more what's that, it's very easy to open up. Well, this one, see the difference, guys. They even said that, you know, it's like the quality is cheaper with this one because of the zip, plastic zip. Yeah, but nevertheless, I still love it because as you can see, they are the same but different. But so yeah, so I think I'm gonna be extra careful because this is in a light color, and you know, I think it is the dirt is more prone into this colored light color leather goods, small leather goods in a light color. Everything light color, I think they are more prone to you know, dirt, you know. So yeah, I have to a little bit more careful, but I'm thinking to use it with the dust bag, you know, put it inside. But yeah, something like this and put it in my bag. But I don't know, maybe I'll do that, maybe no, maybe I just have to, you know, not use it much. I don't know, but I really love this color. I think about it, you know, so much, whether, you know, should I get something, should I add something with a light color, but then at the same time I have to mind about, you know, when I'm using it, I have to be extra more careful. So but yeah, I really love this color, guys, and I don't have any pink in my Chanel, small Chanel collection. So I'm really happy to have this, and most of my Chanel items is already in black, so something different, you know. So yes, guys, that's the small this is a small reveal, yeah, and short reveal for this item. Hope you subscribe to my channel and hope you like this video. And yes, guys, that's it for me today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for supporting my channel. And for those of you who is just dropping by and would love to subscribe and support my channel, I will really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.